So to program one of your custom keys for analog monitoring, first go to Menu. We're going to go down to Settings, go to Radio Set, and then Key Function. Once you're here, go ahead and select the key you want to program. In this case, we're going to program the key right on top. Select that. Now we're going to look for Monitor. There we go, there's Monitor. Select it. Now when we back out here, and I hold Monitor down, if I turn the volume up a little bit, you'll be able to hear it. We're actually monitoring the channel with no squelch. So in this case, we're on an analog channel. This is analog monitoring, and this way you can hear whatever's going on, no matter if it's below the squelch threshold.